I'm Ranjit. We are in Mount Roskill on Fort Drew Street. Our power bill before getting solar was approximately between 200 and 250 in summer and between 350 and 400 in winters. Instead of buying it from the grid, we are able to export it back to the grid and we are still on credit. Roughly between $100 and $120 a month. Instead of buying it, we are able to generate our own solar power and we are very happy with how the system is working. I would strongly recommend installing solar because we know that power prices are going to go up in future, so having something where we can generate our own power definitely helps. And going with Avid Solar, the quality of the panels and everything, I was really happy, and so I went ahead and I would recommend the same to anybody. Initially, I started my conversation with John, and that's where I got my first quote from, and he was really friendly and he answered all my questions patiently, and we had to discuss about quite a few things, and every opportunity he got, he provided me with the relevant and the needful information. And then I got in touch with Keenan, and Keenan was very friendly and very professional, and he also answered all my questions very patiently and helped us at every step, and it was very easy and professional experience for us to install solar.